All right, let's talk about something that drives just about every Windows user a little bit crazy, those automatic updates. If you've ever felt like your computer picks the absolute worst time to restart, you're definitely in the right place. Today, we're going to show you exactly how to take back the controls. You know the scene, right? You've been grinding all night, you're putting the final touches on a massive presentation that's due in the morning. Or maybe you're totally in the zone, just seconds away from that epic win in your favorite game. And then, bam! Out of nowhere, that dreaded blue screen pops up. Updating your computer. Do not turn off your PC. Yup, we've all been there. And the frustration? It is so real. But what if I told you you don't have to put up with those interruptions ever again? Let's walk through exactly how you can finally tell Windows who's boss.
Okay, before we jump in, I have to give you a really important warning. We're about to go into the Windows registry, which is basically the DNA of your entire operating system. It's powerful stuff, so please, you've got to follow these steps exactly as I show them. One wrong click in here can cause some serious headaches.
All right, ready? Step 1 is super simple. Just press the Windows key and the letter R on your keyboard at the same time. This little box called the Run command will pop right up.
Now, in that box, just type regedit, that's regedit, and hit Enter. Your computer might ask you for permission, just go ahead and click Yes. And that will open up the famous and powerful Registry Editor.
Okay, this next part looks a little intimidating, but it's just like navigating through folders. On the left side, you're going to click the little arrows to expand hkey_local_machine, then find Software, then Policies, then Microsoft, and finally just click on the Windows folder itself. Just take your time and follow that path. So once you're highlighted on that Windows folder, we're going to create a couple of new folders, or as the registry calls them, keys. Just right-click on Windows, go to New, and choose Key. Name this first one Windows Update, all one word. Then, right-click on your new Windows Update key and do it again, naming the second one AU. We are so close. Now, click on that AU key you just made. In the big empty space on the right, I want you to right-click, go to New, and this time, select DWORD 32-bit value. Don't worry about what that means, it's just a type of setting. The name is crucial, though. Name it No Auto Update, exactly like that, with the capital N, A, and U. And for the final step, just double-click on that No Auto Update value you just created. A little box will pop up. All you have to do is change the value data from a 0 to a 1 and click OK. Now, just give your computer a quick restart, and that's it. The change is locked in. So, you did it. You are now in complete control. But hang on a second. Before you ride off into the sunset, you absolutely need to understand the trade-off you just made. And here it is, the big catch. When you disable automatic updates, you're not just stopping those annoying feature updates and restarts. You're also stopping the automatic security patches. This is so important. It means your computer won't be protecting itself from the latest viruses and threats anymore. That job, the job of manually checking for updates and keeping your system safe, is now 100% on you. So it all comes down to this one simple question. You've gained total control over your schedule, which is awesome, but you've also taken on the full responsibility for your computer's security. Is that freedom from interruption worth that potential risk? Well, now the choice is all yours.